me at some point last night that there was an 86% chance that we would not have school today. And I said, there's a couple of Mathcounts kids that will disagree with you on that percentage. So I'm glad we are here. Just a few announcements. I want to sort of set up what you're about to see. Many of us have seen this more than one time, so I think a lot of us know what we're about to see. But I think it's important to say every time that what you're about to see is some students at the Meadowbrook School taking an enormous risk in front of you all. I know, for one, myself, there is no way I would go anywhere near the Mathcounts stage when I was in 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th grade. I would be way too nervous and I wouldn't be able to do it. So, first and foremost, the risk they're taking is pretty enormous. Okay? Yeah, we can applaud for that. Secondarily, this is like the home run derby of mathematics. Now, the home run derby in baseball happens every summer in July. And what they do is they have batting practice, coaches pitch fastballs down the middle, and everyone tries to hit a home run every single time out of the park. It's a very specialized skill set, okay? Now, these questions are not fastballs down the middle. They're difficult, okay? These are like knuckleballs and curveballs, but the exhibition part of it is the most important part. In my math class, I would not allow you to do what these guys are about to do, which is try to do the math as fast as humanly possible, and maybe not even write it down. Maybe do it all in their head. And anybody that's been in one of my math classes know that that's not something that I would allow on a regular basis in a math classroom. Okay? So in that sense, this is an exhibition. It's also really cool, and it's a phenomenal day, and I love it to celebrate math. But I want to make sure you guys know that this is a very specialized thing that's happening here, and not necessarily the way that I endorse the study of mathematics. Okay. One note about applause, and we're going to get started. What we'd like to try this year is if we can applaud after each matchup has finished. So if you can imagine, 2 or 3 individual questions will happen. Someone will give an answer, someone will give a wrong answer. But at the very end, when a winner is declared in each round, in each matchup, then I think we should applaud for them, but not in between. So don't applaud after individual questions, but give them a really nice healthy round of applause after the matchup is completed. Okay? At this time, very quickly, I would like to, in the lower school, recognize the students who were super close to qualifying for the Mathcounts team, but didn't quite make it. There are alternates today. In 3rd grade, it's Sophie Robinson. In 4th grade, it's Thomas Connolly. And in 5th grade, it's Williams Goldsmith. Okay, so we prepared a video for the lower school Mathcounts team.
We're gonna do it. Give us any chance, we'll take it. Read us any rule, we'll break it. We're gonna make our dreams come true. Doing it our way. Nothing's gonna turn us back now. Straight ahead and on the track now. We're gonna make our dreams come true. Doing it our way. There's nothing we won't try. Never heard the word impossible this time. There's no stopping us. We're gonna do it. On your mark, get set and go now. Got a dream and we just know now. We're gonna make that dream come true. And we'll do it our way, yes, our way. Make our dreams come true. And we'll do it our way, yes, our way. Make our dreams come true. For me and you.
School competition rules. 3 questions are read, one at a time. The student who answers the most questions correctly, not necessarily 2 out of 3, wins the round. If the students are tied, more questions are read until one question is answered correctly, determining the winner. After a question appears on the screen, you have 45 seconds in which to solve the problem. You can buzz in at any time. Once you buzz in, you have 3 seconds in which to begin your answer after being called upon. If you answer without buzzing in, your answer will be disqualified. If the answer is incorrect, the other student has the remainder of the 45 seconds in which to respond. Otherwise, we move to the next question. If both students miss the question or time runs out, a new question is posed. The final round is played as a best of 5. The first student to successfully answer 3 questions is the winner. Please do not shout out the answer to a problem. Please do not yell or holler in between questions. It is distracting to the mathletes on the stage. You may quickly applaud for correct answers and then for both competitors once the round is over. All right, enough stalling. It's time for our first matchup. Braylon Ray and Joshua Levine. Was that you, Braylon?
That was me.
Are we ready?
And remember, guys, I'm going to call on you, and then you'll answer. Okay.
And question number 1 is, what number is 7 less than 3 more than 345?
Braylon. That is correct.
65 pennies plus 12 nickels equals how many quarters?
Joshua.
$1.85.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Braylon. Sorry, that is incorrect. The question was how many quarters?
And the answer was 5. Samantha has 5 times as many stuffed animals as Alyssa. If they have 72 altogether, how many does Samantha have?
Joshua.
Samantha has 15.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Time. That was the third question. Amelia is in the lead 1-0, so she took it. Braylon, sorry, Amelia and Braylon. That means Braylon takes the round. Congratulations. Is Colton Largan, Riley Park.
In base 3, you regroup to the next highest place to the left when you get to 3. Convert this base 3 number to a number in our base 10 system. answer was 23. Next question. What time will it be? 2 hours and 43 minutes from 11:40 a.m.
Colton.
2:23 p.m.
That is correct.
Next question. When multiplying 347 and 216, what will the digit be in the ones place of the product?
Riley. 2 is correct. After 3 questions have been read, we're tied, so we will go unless someone answers the question correctly.
Find the sum. 23 plus 144 plus 3 plus 56 plus 77.
Colton.
203.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect.
Seconds remain.
Riley. 303 is correct. Our lower school competitors, before I announce the next matchup, when you shake hands, you can come in front of the screen so we can see you being supported. Thanks so much. The next matchup is Victoria and John. John, will you test your level?
The sum of two numbers is 34, and their difference is 4. What are the two numbers?
Victoria. That is correct.
Four times 5 equals 120 divided by what number?
John.
6.
6 is correct.
If drumsticks cost $48 per half dozen, then how many drumsticks cost $200? The answer was 20.
I'm sorry.
If the side lengths in the rectangle below are doubled, its area will increase by a factor of
John.
2.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Victoria. I'm sorry, that's also incorrect.
the answer was 4.
Yeah, currently, that was the 4th question read. We're currently tied 1-1. So the next to answer correctly will take the round. Okay, guys? Good luck.
simplify the following expression: 2/3 minus 0.5 plus 3/9 plus 1/2.
Victoria? I'm sorry, that's incorrect. John, 1 is correct. The next matchup is Vishnu and Amelia.
Find the product. That was times 0. Find the next number in the pattern.
Vishnu.
279.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Amelia. 243 is correct.
Find the product.
Amelia. That is correct. All right. We're now up to the second round. The first matchup of the second round is John and Ryan. John, your second button. Ryan, thank you.
What is the remainder when the product of 8 and 11 is divided by 9?
John, 7 is correct.
Mr. Christensen's ego doubles in size every day. On Monday, it will be how many times as big as it was on the preceding Wednesday?
John, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Riley, I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. the audience, I'm hearing a ton of whispering of answers, which can only mean that they are also hearing us. Stop that.
Sally is traveling at a rate of 300 meters per minute. How many meters will she travel in 12 seconds?
John. Sorry, that's incorrect. That was the third question, and at the time, John is winning 1-0. So that ends the round, and John takes it. The next matchup is Braylon and Amelia.
On a number line, what fraction is the same distance from 3/4 as it is from 7/8? Was 13/16. The radius of a circle with an area of 25 square centimeters is 1/3 of the side length of a square. The perimeter of the square is how many centimeters?
Amelia, 60 is correct.
Altogether, 18 squares have the same number of sides as how many triangles?
Braylon, that is incorrect. Amelia, 24 is correct. Questions correct. First of right. Sorry, language issue. So it's the best of 5. So we'll read 5 questions, and at the end, whoever's in the lead wins. Sorry, not first of 3. Thank you.
If I quadruple a number and divide the result by 6, the quotient is 12. What is the number?
Amelia, 18 is correct.
lie on a straight line. The distance between bus stops B and C is 2.5 times the distance between stops A and B. If the distance between stops B and C is 10 miles, what is the distance between stops A and C?
John. Sorry, that is incorrect.
The answer was 14 miles. Amy is a passenger on a ship that can fly around the Earth once every 24 minutes. If she flies around the Earth for 18 hours, how many times will she go around the Earth? The answer was 45 times. Calculate the sum of the remainders in 124 divided by 5, 233 divided by 4, and 38 divided by 3.
Amelia. 7 is correct. All right, since we only have one more question to do, the next question would have been 5, and Amelia is winning 2-0. The round is over, and Amelia is our champion. Are you in the building? Yeah. Can you come up here, please? And have John and Amelia up here. Don't have to do a math card. No. What is it? One plus C1. So we'd like to present the runner-up trophy to John Kulo, and Mr. Rickdale will do that. Congratulations, John. Is Amelia Reed. Give a quick round of applause for all of our competitors.
Mathematics, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Meadowbrook School Mathcounts team. Its mission, to explore strange new problems, to seek out new skills and new solutions, to boldly solve what no one has solved before.
captain's log started at 013015. The Mathcounts team was en route to the Interstellar Mathcounts competition when we received a distress call from Meadowbrook. Mr. Canfield is stuck trying to teach a math problem to his class. Again. We're diverting our route to go help him in the Shire classroom, but are trying to figure out the most efficient path to get there.
Captain, at our current rate of speed and trajectory, we will not reach Mr. Canfield in time to help him.
Captain, I believe I can find a faster way to get there. Permission to use a calculator.
Negative, Mr. Spencer. Our ship's calculator is still offline following last week's visit from Mr. Largay. I've never seen anyone need to rely on a calculator as much as Mr. Largay.
Captain, it's logical for us to get the whole team together to help solve this problem. I suggest we do so.
Make it so.
Okay, team, what have you come up with?
Well, we know that the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line.
Right, so you're gonna follow this straight line path to Mr. Canfield in the Shire.
But the question still remains, how long will it take? So we're gonna have to rely on the standard speed and velocity equation. Exactly. Speed equals distance over time. So how far is the Shire classroom?
Exactly 3.4 parsecs.
And how long do we have until Mr. Canfield's class is over?
20 minutes.
Guys, we've got it! Captain, take a straight line course to the Shire at warp 8.
By our calculations, we'll be there in 12 minutes.
Mr. Christopher, engage warp engines to level 8.
Aye, Captain. I'll give it all I got.
Captain, we've arrived at Earth and are ready to beam down.
Excellent. Make it so.
Engage transporter beam.
Good luck, team.
Energize.
Mathcounts team, you're here!
Mr. Canfield, we're here to help with your math problem.
It turns out I was able to figure it out. I used that new math system we've implemented in lower school. Klingon math.
Nuke, Doc, Onk, Pushpaw, Ek, bar models.
Klingon math, it's the future.
Away, team. We have an incoming message from the admirals at Starfleet. I'll relay the message now.
This is a message for the Meadowbrook Mathcounts team. You're all late for the Mathcounts Assembly.
Don't forget your Mathcounts shirts.
And cookies. Bring cookies.
Mr. Christopher, transport the entire Mathcounts team directly to the Mathcounts Assembly now.
Aye, sir.
Engage.
Ounce can of tomato sauce costs $1.68. In cents, what is the price per ounce? two-digit prime numbers can be formed by choosing two different digits from the set 2, 7, 8, 9 to be used as the tens digit and the units digit. Five is added to 4 times an integer to get a result of 277. What was the integer?
Anna. 68. 68 is correct. Anna will take the round. Our second matchup is Aditya versus Suan.
Connie is starting an exercise program. On June 1st, she will do 25 sit-ups. Each day after that, she will increase her number of sit-ups by 4. On which date during the month of June will Connie first do more than 100 sit-ups in one day?
Suan. I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Aditya. 20 is correct.
What is the area of the parallelogram shown in square feet?
Addition. I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Suan. 45 is correct.
How many diagonals are in the 5th polygon of this sequence of regular polygons below?
Addition. 5 is incorrect. Suan. Correct? 11 is incorrect. Correct answer is 14 diagonals. After 3 questions, number 1, we're going.
What is the next term in the geometric sequence 2, 6x, 18x squared, 54x cubed?
Aditya? That is correct. For our third matchup, we have Jacob and Spencer.
What is the value of 5 factorial times 2 factorial divided by 3 factorial?
Jacob. 80 is incorrect. Spencer. 40 is correct.
Monica, who is 5 feet tall, is standing next to a pine tree that casts a shadow 34 feet long. If Monica's shadow is 2 feet long, how tall is the pine tree?
That is incorrect. Jacob. 85 feet. 85 feet is correct.
If A plus 4B is 33, and 6A plus 3B is 51, what is the value of A plus B?
That's time. Ready? 12. For your 5 plus 1, you're going to continue. That's okay. We'll again.
First 4 terms of the sequence are -1, 1, 0, and 1, respectively. Each subsequent term is the sum of the previous 4 terms. What is the 6th term in the sequence?
3 is correct. For our fourth matchup, we have Chris and Lindsay.
A triangular region is bounded by 2 coordinate axes and the line given by the equation 2x plus y equals 6. What is the area of the region in square units? What is the sum of the median and the mean of the set of numbers 12, 21, 6, 11, and 30? The measures of the 3 angles of a triangle form an arithmetic sequence. What must be the measure in degrees of at least one of its angles?
90? Sorry, Chris, that's incorrect. Now we've got the semifinals. Our first semifinal matchup is Aditya and Jacob.
Express 25% of 147 as decimal to the nearest 100.
Aditya. 36.75 is correct.
What is the greatest possible quotient from any 2 distinct members of the set 2/5, 1/2, 5, and 10?
Aditya. 25 is correct.
number of colors needed to shade the tessellation shown, such that no two tiles sharing a side are the same.
3 is incorrect. Sorry. 2 is correct.
The mean of 5 numbers is 5. If one of the numbers is removed from the group, the mean of the remaining 4 numbers is 4.25. What number was removed from the group?
Anna. 4 is incorrect.
Javier is biking at 15 miles per hour. There are 5,280 feet in a mile. How many feet does he travel in 1 minute?
The correct answer was 1,320 feet. After 3 questions, Anna has 1 point, Christina has none, so Anna will take the round. Now comes the championship matchup between Aditya and Anna.
What is the greatest common factor of 30, 90, and 75? Joey multiplies the number by 4, adds 1, and then divides by 3, getting a result of 7. Sue divides the same original number by 3, adds 1, and multiplies by 4. What result does she get? Express your answer as a common fraction.
Aditya. 32 over 3 is correct.
A line is drawn through the points -2, 6, and -4, -2. What is the y-coordinate of the point where this line intersects the y-axis? Simplify 3 minus 5 times the difference of 3 and 2 minus 1 squared divided by 3 minus 2 squared.
Anna. 3 is correct.
A divided by B equals 2, and B divided by C equals 3/4, what is the value of C divided by A? Express your answer in the comments box.
I've been looking for my calculator, yeah. There it is.
Please have an HS Alexandra and a standard. And for the 2015 Mathcounts Assembly, and standard.